So unfortunately today we're gonna have to change the hood. I thought the shop was gonna be able to do it, but it looks like today that we're gonna have to do everything ourselves. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna start by taking off the hood latch part, so this right here, because all the hoods have this, so you don't really need to touch anything. So we take this off while it's up because it's gonna be easier than doing it on the ground. So let's do that real quick. Alrighty, now that that's out, you should be left with 2 bolts and the actual latch right here. So let's move on to the next part. So now we have to take off the bolts that are right here, and there's the same set over there. So we're gonna do that real quick. And okay, our first one is out, and that's the easiest part probably. It's easier if you have someone to help you because these hoods are heavy. And a heads up, just to change over your windshield wiper fluid sprayers. It's just clips. So all right, make sure before you do anything you put some Loctite on your bolts. So just this right here, you can put this up at Home Depot, Harbor Freight, almost any hardware store, and just a little bit will do good length because this is like a 20-year-old bolt, so it's definitely gonna need some extra help. And then since the hood's off over there, we're gonna tighten these buggers on real quick, and then we will get everything going back on the hood. Okay, now that that's on and you've put your Loctite on it and everything, don't feel bad if it's around the wrong way the first time. It's totally fine. You can just take it off. It's quite simple. Just 2 bolts. All right, so let's go put the hood on real quick and let's see how it looks. All right, make sure you transfer over this part. Heat shielding is optional, but at least transfer over your seal at the very least. And do not be intimidated by this. This just snaps right off that and back in. You could probably put some little bit of glue on there if you want, but it's extremely simple. So the hood is on, but we did in fact mount this backwards. So let's take that off real quick and then we'll close it and see how it looks. All right, the hood is on. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, but overall it looks just the right amount of aggressiveness. And I want to let's see what it looks like in the cab. That's dope as fuck. Alrighty guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. The car's going to the shop tomorrow to get everything fixed. The front valance, the bumper, everything just aligned and get it ready for paint. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. And if you want more, keep it up in the comments and I will see you next one.